Hello dear student, in this video we are talking about the common salt NaCl as a raw material for chemicals. Chemicals like bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride or calcium hypochlorite, and formation of sodium hydrogen carbonate as a baking soda and formation of washing soda. So these chemicals are synthesized or formed with the help of calcium sodium chloride. Let us see how it forms. So formation of bleaching powder. First we know chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali process. What is the means of the chlor-alkali process? In this process, we have found and how the sodium chloride is as a raw material. Just we know. So, when in this topic, when we passes the sodium chloride dissolve into the aqueous solution and passes electricity, the NaCl get split and the chlorine, formation of chlorine, sodium hydroxide and evolution of hydrogen gas. Let us see formation. Then NaCl plus H2O, NaCl aqueous, H2O liquid combine to form NaOH plus chlorine plus H2 gas. I'm right here guys. Aqueous Cl gas plus H2 gas. So, in the chlor-alkali process, when the sodium chloride dissolves into water, after passing the electricity, the formation of sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen gas. The heading is chlor-alkali process. In which process the formation of alkali, which is sodium hydroxide, it is a strong base and it completely dissolves into the water, and these which base are dissolved into water, that we call alkali. So it means formation of alkali and chlor means chlorine gas, formation of alkali and chlorine gas in this reaction, and this reaction is also called as chlor-alkali process. So the starting of this common salt or raw materials for chemicals, which is, so in this reaction the heading is chlor-alkali. The first in this topic, the common salt is as a raw material. The topic is a raw material for chemicals. The first heading is chlor-alkali process. The reaction in which formation of sodium hydroxide and formation of chlorine gas. This reaction is known as chlor-alkali process. In this reaction, when we dissolve the sodium chloride and pass the electricity, we will find the sodium hydroxide, aqueous, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. This reaction is known as chlor-alkali process. Let's see another heading. So we will find our chlorine gas, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. We already find our chlorine gas. When we find formation of bleaching powder, formation of bleaching powder, which is bleaching powder. The formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. This is a calcium oxychloride or calcium hypochlorite. So, how it formed? When we pass in this first in the first reaction, the chloralkali process, we have find sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. For the formation of bleaching powder, we will take our chlorine gas. When the chlorine gas is passed into dry slag lime, which is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide plus Cl2 give Cl2 and H2. This is your calcium hydroxide and chlorine gas. And right here calcium hydroxide and chlorine gas and formation of calcium oxychloride and one more, also called as bleaching powder. This bleaching powder is used in washing of clothes and treating of water. This calcium oxide also used in different types of bleaching, wood pulps and clothing industry, linen industry and treating of water. So very important product or very important chemical which synthesized by the raw material of sodium chloride. And after the sodium chloride, when the sodium chloride dissolves into the water and passes the electricity, we have formed our alkali, sodium hydroxide and chlorine gas, and this chlorine gas pass through the mixed through the calcium hydroxide and formation of calcium hypochlorite or calcium oxychloride, which is commonly known as bleaching powder. And this bleaching powder has various types of uses, used in linen industry, wood pulp industry and treating of water. So this is our first chemical. Second chemical, first chemical is sodium hydroxide. Second chemical formed with the help of chlorine gas, which is calcium oxychloride. The next will be sodium hydrogen baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formation of baking soda. Formation of baking soda. Formation of baking soda means sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3. How it formed? When we dissolve the sodium chloride plus H2O and pass the carbon dioxide gas and ammonia gas, give sodium hydrogen carbonate, NH4Cl plus NaHCO3 is formed. So our ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. This is our product is formed. First we take NaCl, dissolve into water, and passing two gases, carbon dioxide and NH3. Means carbon dioxide gas and ammonia gas pass into the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, and we find ammonium chloride and sodium carbonate. and we find the sodium carbonate. The baking soda used in food to make a crispy of food and different types of food and used in different type of food, and it can be used in neutralize an acid. Sodium carbonate is also used as an antacid. This is also important use of this sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda also used in the term of antacid, means it neutralizes the acidic reaction into our stomach. When the formation of formation of washing soda, washing Na2CO3 into 10H2. This is our washing soda. How it formed? When the sodium carbonate get heated, when the sodium hydrogen carbonate get heated, it produce sodium carbonate H2O plus carbon dioxide. So when the Na2CO3, when the sodium hydrogen carbonate, when we heat sodium hydrogen carbonate, it breaks into sodium carbonate H2O and carbon dioxide. When we recrystallized, means Na2CO3 plus 10H2O plus 10H2O, it gives Na2CO3 into 10H2O. This is our washing soda. This is our washing soda. In this way, we find the washing soda with raw material of common salt. How it formed? The common salt dissolved into water. I repeat, I write here on here. When the common salt is, I write here, NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3. In NaCl aqueous solution, pass the two gases carbon dioxide and ammonia gas. It produces NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. After finding of NHCO3, here our NHCO3, and these NHCO3 get heated. These NH sodium hydrogen carbonate get heated, and right here get heated, it broken into sodium carbonate and water and carbon dioxide. When this sodium carbonate, after heating the sodium hydrogen carbonate, get addition of extra amount of water, means if we recrystallize, means addition of water. If we recrystallize of sodium carbonate, and that here sodium carbonate plus 10H2O it will become Na2CO3 into 10H2O, means it is a formula of washing soda. In this way, we can say that with the common salt, which is NaCl are raw materials for chemicals. Which chemicals we synthesize in this video? So, first chemical is after removing this. Which chemicals we synthesize? First chemical is bleaching powder, CaOCl2, washing baking soda, the first is NaOH, CaOCl2, alkali, bleaching powder, third is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaCO3, baking soda, second last washing soda, Na2CO3 into 10H2 washing soda. So this is our, with the help of NaCl, it is as a raw material for synthesis of NaOH, calcium chloride, sodium hydrogen carbonate, which means baking soda, calcium oxychloride, bleaching powder, sodium carbonate, which washing soda. In this way, we synthesize, we have know about how the NaCl is as a raw material of these chemicals. Which chemicals is alkali, and another more important chemical is chlorine gas. And remaining part is discussed in next video. Thank you.